How did I choose the title of this video? Everyone will tell you that YouTube titling is important, maybe the most important thing. Just consider how important names are. Your name is important to you, but more generally, once you name something or title it, you essentially define it forever. And you've also limited it. Naming something can make big things small or small things big. Naming is powerful. Crafting clickable titles is key. The first thing you need to know about titles on YouTube is that when you're a smaller creator, titles matter more than thumbnails. If your thumbnails are too good, you might look like a pro channel, or worse, an AI channel. There's a market for small, organic information. Don't stray from that. As you grow, thumbnails become more important because visual components like your face and branding remind your existing viewers that this is your work at a glance. Your thumbnails become your calling card. But when you're new, and nobody knows who you are, they'll see the title first, and it will pique their interest. Even when you're small, the title and thumbnail should work together to spark curiosity. But the title is your chance to reel viewers in. It's your foot in the door. Now, how do we make a compelling title? One simple yet powerful method is storytelling. On YouTube, storytelling is key to keeping people engaged, piquing their curiosity, and maintaining interest in your content. You can tell a story right in your title. Look at YouTube titles and notice how often storytelling is used, especially in viral videos. Crafting these miniature title stories can be challenging, but if you can create one, it's totally worth it. As I've said in videos from the beginning, unfortunately, people are more attuned to negative information. So if you want clicks, that's a way to start. Some may say you're baiting your audience, and you are, but it's still a way to get clicks. Psychological research shows that negative emotions like fear, anger, or conflict tend to grab people's attention. The key is to avoid disappointing your audience. You want to delight them by delivering more than they expected or offering a different but positive experience. And don't overdo it, or you become the boy who cried wolf. Strive for genuine nuance or education in the content. You're drawing people in for a better understanding, not just shock value. Numbers are very effective in titles. The number you choose can imply a lot. People like lists, and they don't want their time wasted. Using numbers implies structure and promises a certain amount of value. It tells the viewer there's a defined amount of content, which can be reassuring compared to an unstructured rant. Series do well on YouTube, but sequels do not. People love to watch or read a series, but if someone sees a later installment, say episode 22, they're less likely to click if they haven't seen the previous episodes. Even if each video is accessible on its own, numbering them, like I do, can deter new viewers. The solution is to title each video as a standalone. During the episode, mention that it's part of a series and provide links to the playlist in the description or on screen. This way, new viewers aren't scared off by feeling they've missed something, but those interested can dive into the series. Ensure each episode delivers value on its own so viewers don't feel lost. If you adopt this approach, you'll likely see an increase in viewership. It works to use emotional or descriptive language. You want evocative words in your title. This might seem over the top, but it works. We're trying to tap into emotions like curiosity, desire, or even fear. These compel people to click. Even overused words like crazy, unbelievable, life-changing, or descriptors like brilliant, frustrating, amazing make the title pop. For instance, using a word like embarrassing appeals to the fear of missing out. Even if we're aware of these tactics as viewers, they still grab our attention. My final tip is simple yet powerful. Ask a question in your title, just like the title I used for this video. People love to resolve unanswered questions. Titles framed as questions, especially those that hint at solving a pain point or satisfying curiosity, make viewers feel compelled to click for the answer.